Hello, today we're going to be over the new updates made to WordPress. Version 3.5. This is another tutorial provided by Compete Now. WordPress theme marketing tutorials give you the keys to web presence, putting the fast success. We have plenty more of WordPress tutorials on our site at startcompeting.com/tutorials, or you can check out the channel, subscribe for more on YouTube or just on our website. So typically we don't make videos about the new updates, but this latest update had some really awesome features, and they were definitely worth noting in this week's tutorial. Alright, so first of all, the theme. It's the 2012 theme. If you've been following our videos for some time, you'll notice that I have updated the theme. It just looks a lot better. It has a wider layout. I'm not crazy about the header image being below the navigation, but the overall theme is so nice and simplistic, and it just looks a lot better than the other one. It's just less compact. It's a lot better. And also, you got the drop-down menus integrated. It's very easy to use. We'll take a quick look at the theme options. I won't spend a ton of time on each individual updated theme and feature, but I want to go through them real quick. So this is the 2012. If I go to customize it, you can see that there is the site title and tagline. If you didn't have a header image, you could just display the header text. I could also type in my tagline. Alright, and then that would show below. I'm not going to display that though. So you also have colors. You can select your background color. Mine's black. If you go to the header image, you can see that there's the image right there. And you're going down, you select your menu, select your front page. The other thing about this theme is it has a specialized widgets just for the home page. So if you go to widgets, you can see that there's the main sidebar, but then there's also a first front page widget area. So it appears when using optional front page template. Okay, so let's put the calendar in there and just see if that does anything. Alright. Alright, so that's that. You guys can mess around with the theme more. I think it just looks a lot better. It's a better feel. The other huge update is the media uploader. It's just a lot better to use. Things go a lot faster. If I hit add new, you can notice that the look of everything is all the buttons are a little different. It looks better. You can also now edit images from the admin panel in WordPress, which is really cool. I'm actually have already made a separate tutorial about that, so that's in the. If you do want to go get into seeing how you can edit and all the different features, that's fine. I'll just go real quick and just show you. When you hit an image now, you can just hit edit image, and then it has these features for resizing, cropping. Again, the link to that tutorial is in the description of this video. I'll be posting that right after I upload this one. Okay, so I'll go back. The other thing that you can also do now with images, which is really cool, is you can have attachment page content. So if I go into this image here, and I go down to, let's see, maybe I put it in here. This is attachment content. That doesn't do it. So when somebody goes to the link URL, they technically should be able to see some of that content. Nope. Anyway, you can do that. I haven't had a lot of time to look into it and research it, but you can do that. I can also do that in another separate tutorial as well. Another thing that they've done is if you go to posts and hit add new, you can notice that the visual look has been updated. It all looks pretty neat that way. You also have your post formats, standard aside, image, link, quote, status, which can be useful. So if we do add media, you can see when you do add media now, it automatically, instead of just bringing up that button that we're used to seeing, it brings up your media library. You can also do the drop down, upload it to this post images. You can also search your media library. Okay, and then you just hit upload files, and you're used to seeing this, and you can go on your computer and upload whatever you want. So obviously this just looks a lot better. If I click on this image again, you can see that it kind of gives you a preview. You can still edit that image before you put it in the post, which is really cool. And let's see, attachment page settings. We'll say right. Okay. Link to. You don't have to link to anything. Full size. Description. Alright, now let's insert that into the post. I'm going to say new post. And we can try to see that text. Okay, there's a new post. Not sure what happened there. Let's preview it. There's a new post. Here's the attachment content, which is pretty neat. Alright. So, that's that one. Another huge thing is called OBEDs. That makes it so that when you're putting on Vimeo, YouTube, I think SoundCloud was mixed into that. The different things you can do with it makes it so you don't even need a a plugin to or embed code to put videos on a page. So if we go to YouTube and we find a video, so we find a video, we can go to home page and just find anything really. So WordPress. Alright, so let's get this one. What I'll do is get share. I'll take this link, paste it in here. That's it. No link, just the text for the video. Alright, let's view the page. And look at that. That is just awesome. You get the video right there, just from that little bit of text. One of the other updates is obviously the design, the whole Retina display. Another thing I forgot to mention about the theme is that it's responsive for mobile, looks better. That's obviously a very important thing. They changed these titles. This used to say HTML, now it just says text. So no real difference there, but they changed the way it says. If you go to Appearance and go to Widgets, another thing they changed was when you add the recent posts, you have the option to display the date. So if I click that, I'll say recent news, save. We'll take a look at it. Alright, so here you go. So that looks a little bit better. I like that. And yeah, I think it pretty much covers. I mean, there's obviously a few other things that have been updated. The links manager has been taken out. We talked about the edit screen. There's some other things kind of in the back end that we don't need to worry about that just make WordPress run more efficiently. But yeah, so to recap, the media uploader is 100 times better. You can now edit images. My tutorial for editing images is posted in the description. If you watch this video within an hour of me uploading it, it won't be there yet. It will be there within a couple of hours. I have to upload that one right after this one. Okay, so this is another tutorial provided by Compete Now. WordPress and e-marketing tutorials to give you the keys to our presence, plenty of fast success. Any more on our website at startcompeting.com/tutorials.